Well, actually, it's more of promotion and facilitating investments. So what we're doing is pumupunta talaga kami, we do trade missions, we do conferences outside Ilocos Norte, naghihikayat. We let them know that, hey, there's Ilocos Norte, a place for you to grow your business and develop. Because we have a lot of spaces. We have a good talent source, napakasipag ng mga Ilocano. And yun na nga, we're really trying to poise as a commercial hub in the northern Philippines. And so our mostly program is promote and facilitate. So when we say facilitate, we assist them. So from the time that they're doing this assessment, because ang investment takes time eh. There's a gestational years for them to really develop or establish here. So from zero, from them considering and doing the study of feasibility of doing business here, our office is ready to assist. Actually, with our principal, both the governor and vice governor are our partners in assisting personally these potential investors. So that's it. It's more of facilitation para makapunta sila dito. Kasi kapag pinafacilitate natin sila ng maigi, if you're being friendly to them, they really want that environment. And of course, we continue on promoting. Yun yung pinaka-dalawang major namin na trabaho. The third one is mostly preparing Ilocos Norte to be investment ready. So checking on the properties, even government-owned or private, we collaborate with private sectors that are open for lease, for sale, for collaboration, ganyan. Just to make Ilocos Norte an investment-ready destination.